Hi everyone, welcome back to Juices and Lifestyle, where I share all the recipes and natural tips that have helped so many people on their healing journey. Today I'll be making this powerful green juice that can be used along with carrot juice. You can check out my video on that. This is to support healing and help prevent cancer and other chronic conditions. For this rejuvenating mix, I'll be using all organic produce: celery, green apples, curly parsley, and kale. Start by washing your ingredients thoroughly in distilled vinegar solution to remove residue. Then chop them into smaller pieces for easy juicing. Add everything into your juicer, beginning with the more juicy produce like the celery and the green apples to help everything flow smoothly through your juicer. Just look at that vibrant green color. You can almost feel the freshness. Drink this before meals, alternating it with your carrot juice and other juices throughout the day, especially if you're working on healing or prevention. Remember, always choose organic whenever possible and check with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and follow for more healing juice recipes and natural living tips. Here's to health, energy and natural healing, one glass at a time.